Annyeonghaseyo. Hello. Welcome back to Wise Man. Today we have an exciting topic for you: the Korean skincare routine, explained step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on skincare, beauty, and self-care tips. Let's dive right into it. Before we start, let's understand why the Korean skincare routine is so popular. It's all about achieving that flawless, radiant complexion through a carefully curated series of steps. The Korean skincare routine emphasizes consistency and layering to provide maximum hydration and nourishment to your skin. Step 1. Cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen. Follow it up with a water-based cleanser to thoroughly clean your skin without stripping away natural oils. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine. Step 2. Exfoliation, 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. Use a gentle exfoliant, like a chemical exfoliant or a scrub, to reveal fresh, radiant skin. Step 3. Toning. Apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for better absorption of subsequent products. Korean toners are often hydrating and packed with beneficial ingredients. Step 4. Essence. The essence is a lightweight, hydrating serum packed with nutrients. It helps improve skin texture and prepares your skin for the next steps in your routine. Step 5. Serum and ampoule. These concentrated treatments target specific skin concerns like acne, pigmentation, or wrinkles. Choose one that suits your needs and apply it evenly to your face. Step 6. Sheet mask, 1 to 2 times a week. Sheet masks are soaked in serums and provide an intense hydration boost. Leave them on for about 15 to 20 minutes and your skin will thank you. Step 7. Eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate and requires special care. Use a small amount of eye cream to target dark circles and fine lines. Step 8. Moisturizer. Lock in all the goodness with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. It keeps your skin hydrated and forms a protective barrier. Step 9. Sunscreen, AM only. Never skip sunscreen in the morning, even on cloudy days. It protects your skin from UV damage and premature aging. And there you have it, the Korean skincare routine explained step by step. Remember, consistency is key, and it may take some time to see results. Customize your routine to address your specific skin concerns, and always listen to your skin's needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your skincare-loving friends. Gamsahabnida. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite Korean skincare products, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on social media for more skincare tips and updates. Take care of your skin, and I'll catch you in the next video. Annyeonghaseyo. Goodbye.